Welcome to India's first and only wedding CRM tool designed exclusively for wedding planners and vendors, empowering you to grow your wedding business through cutting-edge technology. The Wedding Lead feature connects you with potential clients seeking various wedding services. If a lead interests you, you have the option to purchase it and grow your business. In this feature, you can view all relevant details before purchasing a lead. Only proceed with the purchase if the lead interests you. In this My Leads feature, it offers two options. 1. Leads purchased via the CRM tool will be displayed here. 2. You can upload your own sourced leads for efficient management. The Calendar feature helps you stay on top of all client follow-ups, managed by you or your team, ensuring you never miss out on any opportunities. The Apply EMI feature allows you to offer wedding loans to your clients if they are short on wedding expenses. Simply input their loan requirements, and our team will assist based on their eligibility. The Wedding News feature gathers all wedding-related news in one place, keeping you and your team informed about the latest happenings across India. The Wedding Packages feature lets you add and promote your packages on our website. The more packages you add, the more opportunities you have to attract clients. We'll also create an exclusive page for your packages for you to share with your potential clients. The Generate Requirements feature allows you to create detailed wedding requirements for your client before sharing the final quotation. The Generate Quotation feature lets you create detailed wedding quotations for your clients, convert them into PDFs, and easily share them. The All Quotations feature displays both quotes generated from the wedding requirements and Generate Quotation features, helping you stay more organized. The Itinerary feature lets you create a detailed schedule organized by date and event sequence, ensuring you and your client are aligned. You can convert the itinerary into a PDF, share it with the client, and use it as an agreement. The My Folder feature allows you to store all your wedding decor images in one place, making them easily accessible for you and your team on the go. The Find Vendors or Planners feature helps you connect with all registered planners and vendors across India for any kind of collaborations. In the Profile section, you can update your logo and business details, which will be included in all PDF communications to clients, such as quotations, itineraries, and wedding packages pages.